Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to ask for code using Chatgpt. As a powerful language model, Chatgpt can help you generate code snippets for various programming languages, including Python, Java, and JavaScript, among others. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced programmer, asking for code can save you time and help you learn new techniques. So let's dive in. Step 1. Start by introducing your programming task or problem. When asking for code using ChatGPT, the first step is to introduce your programming task or problem. Clearly, this will help ChatGPT understand your requirements better and generate a more relevant code snippets. For example, if you're working on a web scraping project, you could say, "Hi, I'm working on a web scraping project using Python and I need to extract data from a website. Can you help me with a code snippet that does this?" Step 2. Specify the programming language and any relevant libraries or frameworks included. Next, you need to specify the programming language you are using and any relevant libraries or frameworks. This will help ChatGPT narrow down its search and generate a more accurate code snippets. For example, I'm using Python 3 and the beautiful soup library for web scraping. Can you suggest a code snippet that extracts all the links from a web page? Step 3. Provide any additional details or requirements. If there are any additional details or requirements for your code snippets, be sure to mention them. For example, I need the code to output the links in a CSV file format. Step 4. Review and test the code snippets. Once ChatGPT generates the code snippets, review it carefully to make sure it meets your requirements. Of course, you can fine-tune it as the way you would like. Then, test the code in your programming environment to ensure it works as expected. That's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to ask for code using ChatGPT. With these simple steps, you can easily generate code snippets for a wide range of programming tasks and problems. See you soon.